What it do? It's your boy Young Ammo Man here to drop another hot freestyle for y'all. Valentine's edition since it's the month of Valentine's. If you ain't seen my last video, check it out. It's hot. If you want to get in contact with me, it's not that hard to do. Facebook.com/YoungAmmo2. For Twitter, it's YoungAmmo1. And just make sure you like, subscribe, share, and follow me. And I got you. I'm going to keep dropping this shit for y'all, man. But let's go. Valentine's edition for them lovebirds out there. Feel me? Yeah. I'm gonna take your bitch. I'm gonna take her. Just play. Let's get it. Yeah. Yeah. Suave swag. Get it from my dad. Yeah. Once I get you home, I'ma go macho, banging up the headboard. I just thought I'd leave you informed, sucking on your neck and squeezing on your camel toe. Once I get done with you, you gon' get your friends the info. Like he's an info, he made me feel special, so intellectual, and plus he's very sexual. Once I put it in, I'ma let you know. Once we get started, I ain't letting go. I make you fall in love with a nigga. And X knows I love to move body parts, so hope you very flexible. And with the tongue ring gone, girl, you the next to blow. I mean that, girl, you the next to blow. Now show me them cheat like you from Mexico. I know you wanna have fun, so I'ma give you what you been missing. Red light, green light, but it is positions. If you give me permission to your intuition, I will bust with precision. You will taste what's been given, girl. Can I take you home? Wow, wow, shout it, cause I want you sweet, nice. I said, can I take you home? Wow, shout it, cause I want you sweet, nice. Like, subscribe, share, every motherfucking way. Hold up. I said, like, subscribe, share, every motherfucking way. It's Young Ammo, bitch. Guess what? I'm heavy here.